Alright, gonna get started on the Sunburst Orange Mustang. We're gonna be applying bullet to it, and we'll see how this comes out. Give you a quick walk around. Alright, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the tires. Alright, washed, chemically deconned, clayed, moved into the garage. Next up will be polish. Any paint correction that needs to be done. Getting some of this sticker type stuff off. We'll do all that in here in the garage, and then show you when that's done before the coat. All right, washed and polished, about to get the coat. All right, so pearl weave and then pan final wipe. Going with bullet on this one, and going on the Mustang. Coating is applied, now it just needs to dry.